On today's episode, we're going to be talking on time signature and how to play on different types of time signatures. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yanu Fabusiwa, also known as Yanu Apala. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have been here before, welcome back. So what is time signature? Basically, time signature is the timing of beats in music. Majorly, we have 4/4 time signature, we have 6/8 time signature, we have 2/4 time signature. We have other types, but those are the major ones. The 4/4 is just like our normal live, the Alujo Tumba type. The 6/8 is the normal rumba. Then the 2/4 is just the subsidiary of the 4/4. I'll be playing one way or one or on the 3 time signature that I just mentioned to you. So we'll be using kórí ẹni kó má fìyà jẹni, àtàrí ẹni kó má fìyà jẹni, mo dúpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún, mo dúpẹ́. That's the beat we'll be using. So I'll be playing the time signature one by one so that you will listen to it so that you know it. So this is 4/4 time signature, normal life. Very simple. Should I come again? That is for 4/4 time signature. Now we move to the next one. So this is 6/8 time signature. That same Owe. That same Owe Abi Oro. That same thing I played on it. Maybe. I'll do it again. So this 2/4, I told you, is the subsidiary of 4/4. So we are on 80 BPM, which means beats per minute. So let's play that same beat. Again. So very simple. When you want to play your maybe your proverb, your weabi, or if you want to play it on your beat, just don't try to rush it. Just try and feel yourself. Let it be clear when you are playing, so that whenever you are playing on different time signature, you'll be free. It's like la cram la po. Those of us that are reading school and are sorry at the cram, but make sure you mastermind your time signature, so that when you use your, maybe when they play loop for you in church or in shows anywhere, once you master your time signature, it will be very easier for you to play anything, any beat, any alujo, any rhythms, anything. So just feel free when you're playing. That's when you are able to use your loop very well. Just make sure you mastermind your time signature. Very, very important in music. Very, very important. But once you lost your time signature, then your music is rubbish. It's gone. That's all. And that will be all on today's episode. I hope by now you understand what is time signature and how to play on different types of time signature. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not. I'll see you all at the next class. God bless you.